Dear all, we are in such a situation today that we have never ever witnessed before. This is a testing time for all of us as individuals and of course as community. My teachers are putting in lots of hard efforts to keep your children engaged throughout. Along with the core academics, they are also taking care of your mental and physical health by conducting yoga classes, music, art and craft, PE classes, etc. Parents, I'm very thankful for you for extending your kind support throughout. Thank you so much.
Teaching has come to be the need of the hour. I am Suniti Joshi, Vice Principal of Blossom Public School and Junior College New. Online classes are no easier than classes offered in the traditional classroom and can even be more difficult. In my opinion, it has more flexibility than a traditional classroom. It is very hard for students to remain focused. Here, the skill of the educator comes into play. Our teachers, the backbone of the school, have made their lessons interesting so as to keep the children captivated at all times and made classes effective and exciting. Parents have also shared their views that they are indeed very happy with the classes. It has given all of us an opportunity to learn something new. I wholeheartedly commend all our teachers who have indeed put in their best to give their best to the children so that the educational need of our students is not hampered in any which way.
Hello all, I am Varsha Pukne, Headmistress of the Blossom Public School, New Nare. You all know that most of the schools are conducting online classes and exams in this pandemic situation. We have also done in a similar way, but with a different intention, and that was beyond the just completing syllabus. My intention behind these online classes was to prepare our children to be ready for the future model of education, changing pattern of life, and the use of new trends of digitalization. This will enable them to learn new upcoming models at such a young age. Our kids have now become aware of use of digital tools for creative and useful purpose in addition to just playing games. They will get aligned to the digital method of education. This has also helped our teachers to use these new digital tools to train their students. We will be introducing new method to make it more interesting and convenient to the students. Parent will also get ready for new ways of guiding their children for future models of education and digital usage. Most importantly, this online method has made us ready to face adverse situation and taught us to go ahead in life. Thank you. Stay healthy and stay safe.
Namaste. I am Mrs. Supriya Masud, Secondary Coordinator at Blossom Public School and Junior College New. Nare, as well as English teacher of the Junior College, would like to share my views about the online teaching learning process. With the COVID-19 pandemic rapidly spreading across the globe, our school management, Assistant Director School Program and our respected Principal, Mrs. Vandana Kharat Madam, have taken initiative in conducting online mode to ensure continuity of teaching learning process. This includes a mix of online platform for sharing reference books, chapter-based PPTs, videos, etc. Apart from this, we have also conducted online tests and the students are scoring well. Principal's interaction with the parents is also being conducted to know the parents' views, and we have got a fabulous feedback that the students are enjoying learning virtually. This is an accidental situation, and I am proud to say that interactive learning is happening and taking its lead not only in academics but also in co-scholastic subjects like physical education, art and craft, music lessons, so that the students are not compromised and students do not fall back in their curriculum. Through this e-learning sessions, we BPSN team have come together to continue guaranteeing the best quality learning journey for our students. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
Hello everyone, myself Manjushri Anil Kumar, Coordinator in Blossom Public School and Junior College, New Nare. As we all know that because of this pandemic COVID-19 situation, nobody can go out of their houses. Because of that, we could not reach to our children. Hence, Blossom Public School has taken a great initiative to reach to our children through online classes. Online classes gives educators a great opportunity to communicate with the children, as well as the children also communicate with their teachers. This is a very flexible and healthy environment to reach to our children. Classes give students opportunity to study, and they can plan the other activities for which they need not leave their home, which is necessary for this situation. Our teachers have taken the great initiative to keep the good mental and physical health of our children by taking extra co-curricular classes like yoga, music, art and craft. Definitely our children are benefited by these online classes. At the end, surely I can say that we are going to come out with this situation. Until that, stay home, stay safe.
नमो नमः। अहं माधवी उद्गीर्कर अस्मि। ब्लॉसम पब्लिक स्कूल इति विद्यालये षष्ठीकक्षायाम् अहं संस्कृतम् अध्यापयामि। कोरोना विषाणुवशात् सर्वेस्मिन् विश्वे अनेकाः विपदाः सन्ति। यद्यपि अस्माकं विद्यालयः अधुना पिहितम् अस्ति, तथापि अस्माभिः अध्यापनं न स्थगितं। प्राचार्या वन्दना खरात् महोदयानां मार्गदर्शनेन अस्माभिः सर्वैः अध्यापकैः आधुनिक तन्त्रज्ञानस्य उपयोगद्वारा गृहे एव उपविश्य सर्वेपि छात्राः अध्यापिताः। अनेन उपक्रमेण सर्वेपि छात्राः, पालकाः, अध्यापकाश्च सन्तुष्टाः सन्ति। धन्यवादः।
Everyone, I am Amrita Utikar and I am working as a teacher in Blossom Public School, New Nare. As all of you know that we all are suffering from this COVID-19, we are getting a big break. Our school principal has decided to start online teaching for our students. For that, she has arranged training sessions for us. And now, this is my experience. We have started online teaching from last 21 days and our children are really enjoying. They are sitting at one place because our children are very small. I'm teaching for standard 3, but they are sitting at one place, they are learning, they are enjoying the online teaching sessions very nicely. They are doing their homework, everything in a proper way. I'm very happy to teaching, and I'm very thankful for our school principal and vice principal that giving us such a nice chance for online teaching. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, this is Rupa Kothari and I am associated with JSPM's Blossom Public School as a teacher here in Pune. During these difficult days where the pandemic of coronavirus has created a ruckus all over the world, we teachers are trying our level best to ensure that students do not miss their academics at any cost. And for doing so, we have been conducting online lectures by using some video conferencing technology like Zoom. Initially, we, both teachers and students, did face some technical issues, but gradually we became familiar with the platform. I personally was surprised to see students as young as 10 years getting acclimated to the platform in no time. This is the power of technology when used in a positive manner. This in some way is revolutionizing the teaching learning process. Watching children learning and growing gives us immense satisfaction. Parents also played an integral role in these days. I would like to thank all the parents for cooperating with us. And last but not the least, on behalf of all the teachers, I would like to thank our school authorities for bringing us more closer to technology. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
Hello everyone, I am Megha Shevde, working as a primary teacher in JSPM's Blossom Public School and Junior College Nare. Today I am going to share my experience about online teaching. We know that nowadays due to COVID-19 situation, we cannot meet each other, cannot make ourselves available for each other. So of course schools has been closed for to maintain social distancing by staying at home. Hence my school has taken decision to start with online teaching. Initially, I was not much aware about online teaching concept, but my school management has arranged training sessions for to know how to conduct the online classes, which helped me in all the aspects and make me aware about all do's and don'ts. Afterwards, I have conducted the same training sessions with my parents and students. Nowadays, I am regularly taking online sessions with my students. Of course, it is a new and unique experience for me and also my students. But yes, this all becomes possible only because of my school management, principal ma'am, all staff, and of course my dear students and their parents. Without their support and encouragement, this was not be possible. So I would like to thank all of them for making this new idea successful, helping me to add such a valuable experience in my teaching career. Thank you all. Stay home, stay safe.
Hello everyone, I am Govindama Bargu, working as a teacher in Blossom Public School and Junior College JSPM Nare. First, I hope you all are safe and staying home and taking all the safety measures against the pandemic we are facing now. As we all know that time is precious. The time is never gonna return, and utilizing it wisely is the best we can do in such a situation. I am very glad that I got the opportunity to share my experience regarding online classes. I think online classes have proved to be an asset. It's such an incredible idea and an amazing use of technology composed together for a platform helpful for the futurity to learn and grow. Earlier, children were using the mobiles only for talking and playing games. Conducting online classes gives a beneficiary to the students. I feel that online classes helps to identify and reach out the students who need extra help. I feel some students just memorize, replicate and they forget when exam is over. Online learning would enable personalized the lessons formats as well as more engaging and interactive learning process. Different types of videos, PPTs, links, etc. can be shared for more knowledge. We can encourage children not only to ask their queries or doubts, but also to answer the questions asked by their peer. We will continue with the online session till the school reopens. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Seema Singh, working as a social science teacher in Blossom Public School, New Nare. As we all are locked down in a situation where we cannot go out from our homes because of coronavirus. To utilize this time in a very effective and useful manner, we the team of Blossom, under the guidance of our principal, Mrs. Vandana Kharath ma'am, started online classes through Zoom app for the students. And indeed, it is the best use of technology we have ever done. And this is a very good teaching and learning process for the teachers and students as well. We all are able to share new ideas, new pictures and diagrams and use this technology in very effective manner. Thank you.
This is Pallavi Deshmukh from Blossom Public School, New Nare. Namaste. At this crucial time of COVID-19 and lockdown, we all teachers were thinking that what will happen, how we will teach our students, and then our principal ma'am suggested the online teaching and we all got away for teaching. I am here at my home and following the lockdown and teaching as well, and my students are also following the government rule of lockdown and they are at home and learning through online teaching. I am having a great experience of online teaching. Students got benefit and they are engaged also. All teachers have put lots of effort. Online teaching gives us flexibility of time and location. Information sharing through online resources is also beneficial for the students. I appreciate my students also who are cooperating and attending the session. We got guidance of our principal Mrs. Vandana Kharath ma'am, Vice Principal Mrs. Suniti Joshi ma'am, Coordinator Mrs. Supriya Mastud ma'am and Mrs. Manjushri Kumar ma'am. I hope we all will come out from this situation and we'll meet soon. Till then, stay home, stay safe.
Good morning all of you. My name is Nita Benke and I am from Blossom Public School, New Nare. As you all know, due to an increase in the number of COVID-19 cases throughout India, the government has imposed a nationwide lockdown. As a result, schools have been closed across the country. All the students, teachers and parents are apprehensive about this transition from offline to online learning system. Though classroom learning cannot be replaced by online education, but it is essential especially in this situation. So our school have tried to ensure that academic continuity is maintained through online classes. This is very helpful step taken by the school. Teachers are explaining with examples, share notes to students, give them homework. Also, and last 5 minutes students can ask their doubt. Including all these, there are classes for physical activities, art and craft, yoga, etc., which help students to maintain physical and mental health also. So, I'm very thankful to our management, our principal, Mrs. Vandana Kharath ma'am, vice principal, Mrs. Suniti ma'am, coordinators, all teachers and parents also. At last, I would like to say, stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much.
Myself Ashwini Ubekar, working as a teacher in Blossom Public School, New Nari. As we all know, due to COVID-19, we all are facing so many problems and due to which we are at home. But still, we are continuing our job of teaching. This is just possible because of having the modern technologies that we are using in our teaching. Though we are not having a sufficient infrastructure, but this teaching is going on in a very effective and interactive form. Students are sincerely and regularly attending all the lectures, clearing their doubts and giving a very healthy atmosphere for our teaching learning. Our principal ma'am was given us a challenge of continuing with our teaching, though in such a critical situation. And I feel very proud to say it that ma'am, we got a good success in this challenge. Thank you very much ma'am for guiding us for using this modern technology. I would also like to thank to our coordinator ma'am, vice principal ma'am for helping us whenever we are in need. Last but not least, I would like to say to all, yes, we can beat it together. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मी शीतल काळभांडे ब्लॉसम पब्लिक स्कूल येथे शिक्षिका म्हणून कार्यान्वित असून आपल्या सर्वांना सध्याची परिस्थिती माहिती आहे की सध्या भारतात कोविड-19 कोरोना या संसर्गजन्य विषाणूमुळे आपण सगळे त्रस्त आहोत आणि त्यामुळेच याची बाधा आपल्याला होऊ नये म्हणून भारत सरकारने शाळांना सुट्ट्या जाहीर केलेल्या आहेत. तरी मुलांचं सुट्ट्यांमध्ये शैक्षणिक नुकसान होऊ नये म्हणून आमच्या शाळेने ऑनलाईन टीचिंग चालू केलेले आहे. ऑनलाईन टीचिंगमध्ये शिक्षक घरी बसून विद्यार्थ्यांना शिकवत आहेत आणि विद्यार्थीसुद्धा या शिक्षणाचा उत्साहपूर्णरित्या लाभ घेत आहेत. विद्यार्थ्यांना येणाऱ्या समस्या विद्यार्थी शिक्षकांकडून सोडवून घेत आहेत आणि या सर्वांचे श्रेय आमच्या शाळेच्या प्राचार्या, उपप्राचार्या, कोऑर्डिनेटर्स या सर्वांना जात आहे आणि मुलांचे नुकसान होऊ नये याबद्दल दखल घेतल्याबद्दल मी यांची आभारी आहे.
Hi, I am Sarjarao Raut. I am teaching maths for standard 11th and 12th. Now online lectures has made teaching process very easy and effective. This is a great platform to have a video conversation. The most important part of this video is video quality is very good except at some times when the internet connectivity is very low. What I like about the online teaching is students don't need to rush to the workplace, rather than they can attend the classes by being comfortable at home. Also, I like one feature integrated in online lectures, that students can record the lectures and make it use of anytime they want. And most important thing is that we all know for the 10th and 12th standard students, these days are very important of education. The online teaching helped all of us to utilize this free time and making the most of it. All of you take care and stay at home. Thank you.
Hi everybody, I am Roy Sumre from Blossom Public School. Want to share my gratitude towards our honorable principal, Miss Vandana Kharath, who is always striving to for better education. We know that whole world is here suffering from COVID-19 due to the extreme outbreak of COVID-19. But at the same time, our Blossom Public School has extended its other dimension to provide quality education through online process. At the same time, whenever I also use this online process, and I persisted many problems like poor internet connectivity and its availability. So I could have to go at my farm where I could have got proper network. After that, but I like it because of I always want to share my views, my knowledge to enable my student at certain level. At last, I request you to stay home, be safe, India, and support India. India needs you.
Hi everyone, I am Jayasri Nitin Pardeshi, art teacher of JSP's Blossom Public School and Junior College, New Nare. As an art teacher, it was great experience to take online classes through Zoom apps. I, as well as students, also enjoying a lot. I thanks to all parents who are showing the positive response to online classes. I would like to thank all my cooperative staffs, management, to give us an opportunity to change this negative situation in a positive way through online classes. Thanks to all. Stay home, stay safe.
Hello, my name is Ritesh Urkade. I am working with the JSPM's Blossom Public School and Junior College as an art teacher. The coronavirus pandemic struck us suddenly and it uprooted our daily activities. The government declared a complete lockdown for our security. During a time like this, we come across many difficulties. One such difficulty was to engage the students virtually. Because of virtual learning, we can teach from the safety of our homes. Students can keep learning and progressing with their learning curve. Students have been enjoying their art lessons. We can also monitor the progress of the student daily. Overall, the experience of virtual learning has been fun and very exciting to both the students as well as the teachers.
Hello everyone, my name is Saurabh Kanhekar and I am music teacher at Blossom Public School, New Nare in secondary section. As we all know, there is a critical situation of lockdown around us. By keeping this and understanding, our school has started online lectures. Those lectures are very effective and useful for students, also useful for teachers. We learn too many things from these online sessions. I had great experience connecting with students from these online sessions. This all is possible because of our institute, management and our respected principal ma'am. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
Hello, myself Shilpa Sachin Sadavrate, teaching music subject at Blossom Public School, New Nare. From a few days, I have been taking online lectures of music. I had great experience by connecting to the students in a new way. Students really enjoyed while studying music. Students and their parents cooperated us in a great manner. I thank you our principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am and HM ma'am for giving us this great opportunity. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
I am Bhavesh Dakne, Taekwondo coaching Blossom Public School and Junior College, New Nare. In this lockdown situation, our school had decided to conduct online classes for our students. I was happy to know that these classes were for Taekwondo also along with the other subject. I was curious to teach Taekwondo to my beloved students. We successfully conducted the classes. All students participated enthusiastically in my session by joining online coaching early in the morning every day. It was such a wonderful experience for me. I thank you all my authorities for making me a part of this unique experience. Stay healthy, stay home, stay safe.
Hi everyone, I am Pranati Bhosle, PD teacher of JSPM Blossom Public School and Junior College, New Nare. As we all know, due to lockdown, all schools and colleges are closed. Our JSPM management decided to take online session, not only educational but also karates. It was my first experience to conduct karate session and it was very nice. I was very happy to see all students who are attending my online session. They were waking up early in the morning for my session. As a karate teacher, I really enjoy my session and students also. I would like to thank Principal Vandana Kharat ma'am and HM Varsha Phukne ma'am for giving such a wonderful experience. Thank you. Stay home, stay fit.
Hello everyone, I am Ujjwala Duras Navgane, yoga teacher of Blossom Public School and Junior College, New Nare. First, I would like to thank to the JSPM management and principal ma'am of Blossom Public School, Mrs. Vandana Kharat, that they arranged these online classes for students and for us. It was great experience and opportunity to us. As we know, in this corona situation, we have to stay healthy and fit. So I took sessions regarding how to improve our immunity power and how to keep our lungs fit and healthy and strong. So parents and students also enjoy this session very much. Pranayam is also more important to help us in this situation. So do yoga every day and stay fit and healthy.
Hello everyone, my name is Shilpa Chauhan. I am a physical education teacher from Blossom Public School. As everyone is aware about the current situation due to COVID-19, many of the schools are locked down. However, the Blossom Public School has started online classes. As a PE teacher, I have been taking exercises daily, which included Surya Namaskar, meditation, jumping jacks, squats, pull-ups, push-ups, to increase students' energy and immunity to keep them healthy and strong. We also asked the parents to join this session, and I am happy to see their response. I want to thank Blossom Public School and our principal Vandana Kharat ma'am for taking this initiative of starting online classes. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Vinay Kamble. I'm sport teacher at Blossom Public School and Junior College, New Nare. As we all know, all the educational institutes are conducting online education process, but it is only for academics. What about mental health and physical health of the student? So our principal Mrs. Vandana Kharat and management of JSPM came with an idea to have lectures of co-scholastic subjects like art, music, physical education, yoga, etc. It helps the students to improve their mental and physical health. Students as well as we, teachers, enjoying this online process. I would like to thank our principal, Mrs. Vandana Kharat ma'am, and management team of JSPM. Now, most important, stay home, stay safe, and do workout at home and stay fit. Thank you.
Blossom Mentors shares a positive, healthy and effective partnership with the parents, which contributes in overall development of our students. We are also conducting online meetings and conferences with them to ensure proper and smooth communication that helps our student to reach their potential. Driven by a mission of providing an excellent quality education, JSPM Blossoms Public School and Junior College has left no stone unturned in setting up standards. It is very rightly said. Life is full of challenges, and these challenges strengthen our conviction. Every difficulty, every hurdle is a new process in life that helps us evolve in life. The real essence of life is to face these challenges head on and emerge victorious. Dear parents, let's stand unitedly, hand in hand, adhering to the government's instructions to encounter COVID-19 pandemic. Stay home, stay safe and healthy. Thank you.